Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new, welcome. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how I make the most creamiest, delicious lemon icebox pie. So, if you guys want to see how I make this delicious lemon pie, keep watching. Okay guys, in my bowl here I have 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese that I brought to room temperature by letting it sit out overnight. And I found that when I do that, I get a very creamy and smooth cream cheese, meaning there are no clumps in my recipe, whatever I'm using it in. I don't see any little pieces of cream cheese. I always get nice and creamy cream cheese by leaving it out overnight. So now I'm going to add in this entire 14-ounce bottle of sweetened condensed milk. Now mind you, this is the same ounce that's in the can, except they have them in the bottles now. So we're going to squeeze all of that in here. And some people like to add in 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. I find that make the pie like overly sweet, so I only add in 1, but if you want to use 2, use 2. So now we're going to squeeze in our lemon because we are making a lemon icebox pie. So I am using freshly squeezed lemons. If you want to use bottled lemon juice, you can as well. It's going to taste just as good because I've done it before. So you guys can see some of those seeds kind of, got through my fingers, and it's okay. Once you're done squeezing your lemons, just go ahead and take them out. So to enhance, can even get that out, to enhance the lemony flavor in my pie here, I'm gonna add in some lemon Jello pudding because again it just take your pie to a whole other level. And I'm only using half of this packet because there's a lot in there, and I don't want it too lemony, but yeah, I just added in half. So now we're gonna get that mixed up, and I apologize for the shaking of the camera. I had my daughter to hold the camera, so there was less shaking. I don't want some people saying, oh, your camera's shaking, this and that or whatever. But yeah, you guys can see we got that all mixed up. So what we're gonna do is get this poured into my graham cracker crust. Okay, this is the store-bought. This is nothing that I put together. I really like the store-bought as opposed to the one in the box where you got to make yourself by adding in the butter and the sugar. But yeah, that's just a lot. So if you want to do that, do that. But again, I'm using the store-bought. So now that I got that in here, we're gonna top it with some Cool Whip. Now I started to whip up some whip topping, with the heavy cream and all of that, but I really just didn't feel like that, doing that whole process and all of that. That was just too much. So again, this is like a quick pie that you can make for the holidays. It takes 5 minutes. That's it. Doing that whole process with the heavy cream would probably take you way longer because you got to sweeten it, and yeah, no. If you want to do that, do that. But I got Cool Whip. I got it into my piping bag with a large star tip, closed star tip, and I just piped it on top. Now I wasn't looking for any certain decoration, to decorate the top or whatever. I just did what I did, just some random tip or whatever. And you can see the little pockets come into the Cool Whip there. That's okay. That's just air that's in between your Cool Whip that's in the bag. So yeah, you'll be all good. You'll actually see one come right when I do that last one in the middle there. It's like just a big look. See? So yeah, it's okay. Just go ahead and squeeze it. The air is going to fill up the rest that's at the bottom and push it on out. So now we're going to get this into the fridge to set. I'm going to let this set overnight. Some people just let it set, about 3 to 4 hours and then they dig in. But I like to let mine sit overnight just to make sure everything is combining and mixing up and doing what it do. So yeah, I will cut you guys a slice once I bring you guys back, and you're gonna see all of that. So here we are here the next day. My pie set up beautifully. So like I told you guys, if you don't want to wait overnight, another way that you can get your pie very, very firm is that you can mix in some unflavored gelatin. That will give you a nice stiff pie. But once that cream cheese, kind of solidify again, it's going to give you a nice stiff pie. Okay, I promise you. But again, if you want to use gelatin, use gelatin. But look at that. It turned out beautiful. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my video of how I showed you how to make a lemon icebox pie. I'm going to try it at the end for you guys as well. But if you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye. And also, guys, stay tuned for more icebox pies because I have a lot to share with you guys as well, okay? So again, guys, you take care. Bye.